Okay, so taste test time, guys. I just made a video of me cooking leek and potato soup, a traditional Welsh food. Now we're going to see how yummy it is. Smells outstanding. And I've garnished it with a bit of parsley and got some fresh bread. Let's give it a go because it's a bit hot. Oh, but it's absolutely beautiful. Okay, let's have a go. Yeah. Oh my god, make that. It's really hot, it's actually burning me. I mean, hot. Yeah, make some of that. That is absolutely fantastic for a winter's day. Get a big saucepan, last a couple of days, and it gets thicker the day later, and better. So, yeah, really ka-ching, wiggly flat thumbs on the traditional Welsh food. See you all later. Happy Flat Day, pre-Flat Day, Flat Day.